Ever wondered how you can turn your passion for gaming into a source of income? Well, the gaming world is not just about fun and entertainment anymore. It's a vast, evolving landscape that offers a plethora of opportunities to make real money. From live streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch, setting up a YouTube gaming channel, participating in esports tournaments, to even creating and selling in-game items, the possibilities are endless. So, let's dive into each of these methods and see how you can get started. First up, let's talk about live streaming, specifically on platforms like Twitch. Imagine setting up your own Twitch account and broadcasting your gaming prowess to the world. It's not just about playing, it's about creating a community, engaging with your audience through commentary and interaction. And the best part? You can earn money through various avenues like donations, sponsorships, and subscriber support. With consistent streaming and audience engagement, you could make a nice income from Twitch alone. Next, we have YouTube, a platform that needs no introduction. Creating a gaming channel here is as easy as pie. The secret sauce, however, lies in producing captivating content. Game reviews, walkthroughs, tutorials, the options are limitless. Once you've got the content rolling, it's time to monetize. Thanks to YouTube's partner program, you can earn revenue from ads on your videos. YouTube provides a massive audience base for your gaming content and can be a significant source of income. If you're more competitive, esports tournaments or game testing could be for you. Esports is a booming industry, with top players earning substantial prizes in global competitions. Your gaming prowess can be your ticket to this lucrative world. Alternatively, game testing is another path. Game developers often seek out avid gamers to test new titles and provide feedback. Your insights can be valuable, leading to steady income. Being a part of the competitive gaming scene or providing valuable feedback to developers can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Now, let's look at some creative ways to earn money, such as creating and selling in-game items and affiliate marketing. In the vast gaming universe, certain games offer you the chance to create in-game items. From unique character skins to powerful weapons, your creativity can turn into a profit. Once you've crafted these items, you can sell them to other players, often via the game's own marketplace. But remember, building a reputation as a reliable seller is key to gaining trust and attracting more buyers. On the other hand, affiliate marketing is another route you can take. Partner up with gaming-related companies and promote their products. You can do this through your gaming channel, social media, or even your own website. For every sale made through your referral, you earn a commission. These methods require a bit more effort, but the payoff can be substantial. So, why not turn your gaming passion into a profitable venture? Lastly, let's discuss game development, teaching, and virtual goods trading. Game development is a growing field, and it's not just for professionals. With a variety of tools and resources at your disposal, you can create your own games and monetize them. If you're more interested in sharing your knowledge, consider teaching or coaching. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy are great places to host online courses or tutorials about gaming. You can share your strategies, tips, and tricks, and earn money from student enrollment fees and course purchases. Now let's not forget about virtual goods trading. Many games have economies of their own, with rare items and skins that are highly sought after. By trading these virtual goods, you can make a tidy profit. Just remember, it's crucial to understand the game's market and the value of items. These methods can be quite profitable, especially if you're passionate about gaming and willing to share your knowledge with others. So there you have it, several ways to turn your love for gaming into a source of income. We've journeyed through live streaming on platforms like Twitch, where your gameplay and engaging commentary can earn you donations, sponsorships, and the support of subscribers. We've delved into the world of YouTube gaming channels, where high-quality videos of game reviews, walkthroughs, and tutorials can be monetized. We've touched on esports tournaments and game testing, where your gaming prowess and insights can earn you cash prizes, sponsorships, and recognition. We've explored creating and selling in-game items, affiliate marketing, game development, and design, all avenues that can lead to substantial earnings. We've discussed teaching, coaching, and virtual goods trading, ways to share your expertise and capitalize on market demand. Remember, the gaming industry is vast and ever growing, so there's plenty of room for you to carve out your niche and start earning. Happy gaming!